That's what she said.
Welcome to the audition room and face the twins for whom auditions are a battleground of ideas. Raghuram and Rajiv Lakshman.
My answer still over here would be, when we're talking about protecting women, it will be protecting women from the criminals.
Yeah, this guy looks like a fucking tattoo guy.
And crime has no gender, be it a man or a woman.
In law, it's called a gender.
What about harassment?
It's called, एक मिनट तू बार-बार what about?
This is an audition of your opinions. An audition for respect.
मैं तो पुराने रूडीज वाले मूड में पहुंच गया था because इक्वालिटी से जेंडर वॉर पर आ गया था पूरा सब्जेक्ट.
So bring your views, your arguments, your convictions and enter the audition room.
Defense mode. मैं किसी को बैन तो करूँगा नहीं, फिर क्या? तो फिर क्या करूँगा? मॉड बन के कभी कभी खुद ही गाली दे दूंगा तो सही लगेगा. मॉड है.
So hi, how are you?
Nitin, I'm good, yeah. Hi, Nitin.
All well?
All well, better. How are you?
All good, absolutely amazing.
So, Nitin, यार, we want to get to know you a little better.
Okay.
अपने बारे में बताओ यार.
First of all, like, I love your beard.
Oh, thank you.
You know the beard?
अपने बारे में बताओ. I love your beard.
Sir, ducktail.
That's a very interesting fact about you, my guy.
Beard style, I am quite fan. You know,
कौन सा style है ये?
ducktail beard style.
Ducktail बोलते हैं इसे.
हाँ, मतलब basically French heavy होता है, थोड़ा side में छोटा होता है.
आई.
I find it very nice, which is why.
Thanks, yeah.
Okay,
Thank
so as you know, my name is Nitin. I am from New Delhi. दिखता South Delhi type.
So by the way, okay, here's an idea. अगर कोई कहता है अपने बारे में बताओ यार, ठीक है, तो जिस तरीके से इसने डिफ्लेक्ट करा दैट वाज फाइन कि ठीक है, आई लाइक योर, आई स्टार्टेड विद अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. आई थिंक ये रट के आया था कि माँ के ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट दूंगा, ये बीएड का स्टाइल का नाम ही होता है, व्हाटएवर द फक. ही लुक्स लाइक वन ऑफ दोस रेड पिल्ड गाइज. Would when someone says कि अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ, there is a lot of pressure on you that you have to sound impressive, you have to be like this. Oh, this is why I deserve to be here as well. So when you deflect, you can get away from the interview tone. I know this is kind of an interview, but you can get away from the interview tone and talk normally. So like you're like, मुझे आपकी beard बहुत पसंद है, ये वाला style होता है, इसलिए I'm very much into beards, I'm very much into this and that. So you don't go back to my name is this, I am that, I am this, and fuck me please. You don't go there. You go away from the interview style. अपने बारे में कुछ बता. My name is this. Don't do that. If that was a nice thing, you can start with the compliment. I like your beard. This ये वाली तेरी beard है, and I'm actually into fashion. I'm actually into this. I'm actually into that. I have a really big tech. You know, that's what you do.
एक वो वाइफ थोड़ी वेजली टाइप वाली है, and I love fun. I'm very fun loving person, मजाक मस्ती करने वाला बंदा. जब
देखो माँ बहन कर दी इसने, पूरी उसकी engagement की माँ बहन कर दी मेरे हिसाब से तो अभी already. Why am I so judgmental? Do you guys do you guys agree with me? Disagree? Anything? Are you just surprised at my fucking intelligence? Are you just mesmerized? हो गए तुम?
वहाँ पे सीरियस होने की जरूरत नहीं है. वहाँ पे टोटली यू नो बकचोदी मजाक
My social awareness से.
like that.
यहाँ पर ना एक क्वेश्चन है, पहला ही है, व्हाट इज मैस्कुलिनिटी. आपने काफी डिटेल आंसर लिखा है. पहला
Oh, I knew it. He looks like he would write a detailed answer for that. यार मैं चौकड़ी मार के नहीं बैठ पाता इस कुर्सी पे. लिखा था Amazon पे कि चौकड़ी मार के बैठ पाओगे. Am I too big? If you ask her. We are listening still. Okay, we want you to feel heard. Oh. And I was taking an interview today. I asked Anchal, tell me something. Anchal, wait, don't dox her. Tell me something about yourself. She answered me with my name is Anchal. And I was like, okay, ho gaya. Hanna, right? Yes. Hello, hi and dry. How are you? Do you like to suck a dick? Oh my god. I'm sorry, dude. You probably like that and I shouldn't ask you obvious questions.
पहला सेंटेंस है,
And if you do it, that's fine. We all like to suck a dick every once in a while.
masculinity isn't about noise but about presence. इसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, what do you mean by that?
देखो सबसे पहले तो मैस्कुलिनिटी का मतलब जो एक कन्वेंशन जो वो चीज़ नहीं होती, लाइक आई वुड से स्टीरियोटाइप या व्हाटएवर टैबू इज देयर, कि लड़के जो होते हैं लाउड, गुस्से वाले होते हैं, अग्रेसिव हो गए, लाउड होते हैं, हर चीज़ को तोड़ना फोड़ना, कि भाई मैं मार दूंगा, ये कर दूंगा, वो कर दूंगा. दैट इज द टैबू व्हिच वी ऑल हैव हर्ड ऑफ एंड आई एम श्योर सबने सुनी होगी ये चीज़. सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट. मैस्कुलिनिटी आई थिंक इज अबाउट फीलिंग सिक्योर इन योरसेल्फ.
It's about chasing purpose over external validation. Can I tell you where this comes from? Would you describe yourself as a sigma?
मी यस.
No. भाई जिंदगी असली में लोग हैं क्या ऐसे? Yay. Oh shit. Is this real? Do people actually, oh my god, and these people fucking probably make fun of trans people. Oh, what is this? I'm a wolf, I'm a flurry, whatever they are, I don't know. I don't give a fuck about them either. And these people would come out and identify as Sigma. It's the same fucking thing, you retard. Then I said total kitni said half. I left half of her.
That's where it comes from.
Depends whose stick is it, of course. And खाली का baby size बताओ किसी को. नीलेश भाई आपकी height कितनी है?
It's about-
I always used to say 6, but I've recently been told a little over 6, so I'm not quite 6'1", but yeah, a little over 6, I guess. Sigma boy.
Chasing purpose over external validation. आपने लिखा. Exactly. What is that?
Chasing purpose. Let's suppose there's a this thing goal in my life. चलो मैं कहता हूँ आज की डेट में मेरे जेब में जितना भी मैं कमा रहा हूँ मैंने 50 लाख रुपए कर लिया. Example, you could be filthy rich. अब आप मेरे दोस्त हो. मैंने कहा कि भाई तेरे भाई ने कर लिया तो घर दिखा दो. मैंने आपको घर दिखाया. मैंने कहा ये कैसे घर है? कह रहे कि साल तुमने ये कर लिया. 50 लाख का घर. भाई बात 3 करोड़ है. मेरे को 4 करोड़ का घर. So this is what the statement talks about. You know, like
देखो पर्पस शब्द की माँ बहन एक कर दी मेरे भाई ने. सिग्मा बॉय सिग्मा उल्लू का पट्टा. सिग्मा. Not this guy. I'm not saying. Come on. I'll never disrespect someone's parents like this. But the guy is being a dickhead, a retard. Nilesh is 6'8". Yes, exactly. Nilesh यार कहाँ मिला? क्या? नहीं यार कहाँ मिला? क्या नहीं मिला? ऐसा किस कह रहा? ब्रो तेरी हाइट 6 फीट नहीं है. पिक्चर्स में 5'8" से ज़्यादा नहीं है. Okay, alright.
like I'm not seeking कि भाई तू मेरे को ना प्लीज फील करवा कि भाई ने तूने अचीव किया. मेरे को पता है कि मेरे को पर्पस है मेरा कर लेना. मैंने लिया, मेरा पर्पस फुलफिल हुआ, लेकिन मेरे को तेरी वैलिडेशन नहीं चाहिए मेरे भाई कि तू मेरे को बता
That's a goal, not a purpose, my guy.
तूने सही चीज लिया नहीं ली.
आपने ऐसा किया है? You have because आपने masculinity को define किया एज अ मैन. आपने 10 में से 9 मार्क दिए आपको.
हाँ जी.
Video purpose में.
Yeah.
So have you done this? You've chased purpose over external validation.
Well yes, I would say that.
कैसे?
मैंने started off with content, ठीक है. Constant comparison मेरे माइंड में चलता था somewhere कि you know this is what I'm doing but I'm not getting this.
You were seeking external validation.
So I was seeking external validation.
It's very curious that a content creator on social media
Yeah.
is saying this. I understand कि तूने सिग्मा मेल के बारे में 3-4 वीडियोस देखी हैं and you like
Okay.
to think that you are that. कि जो
नहीं बहुत सारी दिखी है मैंने. 3-4. What the fuck are you talking about? Rajiv, I presume. Nilesh तो जगत पे भी है. True.
बात नहीं करता वो काम करके दिखाता है. बाहर की वैलिडेशन है, उसे अपनी कीमत मालूम है. All that. We all know what is sigma mean.
Right.
I understand that. I don't understand anybody on social media thinking that they're sigma. Let me explain to you.
Okay.
As a content creator, your purpose is external validation.
How is
Why don't you talk about being a sigma? This is all of this shit is based on this alpha beta theory which was done on wolves. People who came up with this whole fucking thing, they were doing some research on wolves, and वो research भी ढंग से नहीं थी because they weren't really researching wolves in the wild. They were researching wolves in the pack. I mean, there is a dominance hierarchy, but it's not like there is an alpha and a beta like that. The whole theory is flawed.
content industry वाला career?
I like to know the last part of the sentence. How is
the content industry वाला career a part of seeking external validation?
what is the how is
Nilesh, did you like iPhone 17 Air and Pro Max? I think those were some of the most horrible looking phones out there. Nilesh नहीं समझा यार. मैंने पढ़ा ही सब बताऊँ तो because I was so much interested in my Sigma man. I was interested in my Sigma man. New color. It's not even about the color. The design looked horrible. Nilesh China wall कहाँ है? China में. Android guy है ये तो. I don't give a fuck. I'm not an Android fucking guy. I don't fuck phones, dude. Who cares? Who cares? Android, iPhone. It doesn't fucking matter. But again, the phone looked horrible to me. The last iPhone I liked the look of was iPhone 5s.
the worth of a piece of content measured?
Okay, I'll tell you. Of course, you are very right on the part.
Engagement.
Views, right?
Isn't that
How many
external
people-
validation?
अब मैं बताता हूँ यहाँ पे इसका बेसिकली मेरा मतलब क्या है. चेजिंग पर्पस का मतलब ये हुआ है मेरे हिसाब से. ये मैंने एक पीस ऑफ कंटेंट बनाया. आई मेड दिस वन पर्टिकुलर वीडियो. आई पब्लिश ऑन सोशल मीडिया. इस पे व्यूज नहीं आए, लोगों का रिस्पांस नहीं आया, लोगों को पसंद नहीं आई. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं आगे काम करना बंद कर दूँ. आगे मैं कंटेंट बनाना ही बंद कर दूँ.
You will seek it more. There's nothing wrong with it. My problem is that you think that you're not that guy. बहुत बड़ा मूवमेंट है सिग्मा. मैं सिग्मा मेल कौन है? मैं किसी को ऐसा जवाब नहीं देता मगर मैं प्लॉट करके उसे बर्बाद कर सकता हूँ. मैं सिग्मा हूँ. सिग्मा कौन होते हैं? जो अल्फा बनने की कोशिश करते हैं और उनको दबा दिया जाता है कि तू अल्फा नहीं है बच्चे, बैठ जा. ठीक है, मैं बीटा भी नहीं हूँ, मैं सिग्मा हूँ. मेरे अंदर एक ज्वाला है, मैं वैलिडेशन नहीं ढूंढता. The fact that you define yourself.
That's why they were not talking about how flawed the alpha, sigma, beta theory is. That's why. Because I think there's somewhat subscribed to the theory. Oh my god. गलत गाना याद दिला दिया. Get stuck in the mind. वो बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया. जेंटलमैन कुछ नाम था क्या? All right, dude. I'm gonna fuck you, dude. Fuck you. I don't give a shit. रिलेशन लाइक फ़ोटो के लिए मेरे पास कैमरा है, कॉल के लिए बटन वाला फ़ोन है. बंदी मेरी है नहीं, इंस्टा वगैरह पर एक्टिव रहूँ. एक सेकंड, बंदी होने के चक्कर में इंस्टा पे एक्टिव रहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हाँ, इफ़ यू वांट स्टॉक्स अ चेक देन यू नीड टू बी एक्टिव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. अदरवाइज हू गिव्स अ फक. डिज़ाइन वाज गेटिंग अप्रिसिएशन बिफोर रिवीलिंग. व्हेन दे रिवील्ड दे लॉस्ट $108 billion. Really nice.
as a sigma, points to insecurity and lack of self-awareness. What are your views on alpha males?
Alpha is somebody, who is constantly looking out to, this. It's about my way or highway.
Dominance. Okay, very
Dominance.
good. So now I'll read a few answers of yours.
Yes.
Tell me if it sounds alpha or sigma.
Absolutely.
My woman should be soft-spoken.
Yes.
Understanding. My woman should not be enjoying the attention offered by other men.
Okay.
Real women never compete with men.
Right.
Would you think that this is a controlling, dominating my way or
It's not controlling.
तुम्हें नहीं पसंद तो उसको नहीं करना चाहिए. She should not enjoy it. ये dominance है.
नहीं, अगर आपको पसंद है तो आप करो, but you won't be my woman in that case.
वही कह रहा हूँ ना.
हाँ,
My way or highway.
Oh my god, oh my god, he doesn't have a thought. This person does not think, and that's fine. He just watches videos and repeat them. That's all he does. Fuck, I wish मैं इतने red pill लोग देखता तो मैं बता सकता था कि exactly कौन बंदा बोल रहा है. But fucking hell, dude, this guy does not think. This guy just watches videos and talk what he hears from the videos. इसकी शक्ल डोबरमैन जैसी नहीं है. What the fuck?
I asked you what's an alpha male, and
Exactly.
you
See,
said my way or
yes,
highway.
yes, yes,
Just
you're
don't
right,
interrupt. Your female boss keeps complimenting your looks in meetings. It's clearly unprofessional. But you're afraid to speak up. What would you do? Listen to the answer. What's wrong if you are complimented? Now the girl cannot enjoy the attention of other men. Yeah, compliments. So go. आगे. Do men get enough compliments anyway?
By the way, I want to show you one thing. How this guy talks about मुझे validation चाहिए, मुझे सब नहीं चाहिए, right? And they start criticizing him.
The attention of other men. Yeah, compliments.
And he's like, what's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? इसमें क्या गलत है? सही तो बोला है. क्या गलत है? I thought you weren't seeking validation, my guy. Just calm down. They're critiquing you. It's fine. You're not your thoughts. You're not your opinions. If you believe that, you'll never be able to grow in any way, मेरे भाई. You're not that. All right? These are just thoughts you have, just opinions you have. Most of them are borrowed. It's okay to let them go. Don't be offended. अरे रघु बातें क्या कर रहा है? उठ के पिटाई करना. लड़कियों की रिस्पेक्ट कर मादर.
रुको आगे. Do men get enough compliments anyway? ये कंपटीशन नहीं है लड़कियों के साथ?
Oh, this is so sad. This is so sad.
कि नहीं? Women get complimented all the time and are made to feel emotionally validated.
This guy does not go after validation. Just so you know.
Being complimented on how you look isn't unprofessional for me. So you're okay with it, bro?
Okay, I'll tell you.
Hey, no, don't. Let this sentence hang in the air
yes,
because I have a allergic reaction to hypocrisy. So I need to.
अच्छा, okay. एक चीज. One thing I want to tell you guys. I'm hoping you guys are following this. ठीक है? इन लोगों ने उसकी एक बात को क्रिटिक करा है. And the guy chimes in by, okay, I'll tell you. Never do that. बहुत ज़्यादा अर्ज आती है ऐसे बोलने की, लेकिन कभी ऐसे मत बोलो. Never start with I'll tell you. जब सामने वाला कोई इंसान तुम्हें क्रिटिक कर रहा है, तुम्हारी बात से डिसएग्री कर रहा है, don't start with I'm a psychologist. Let me explain. Don't do that. No. I understand why it would seem like that. Actually, start with that or something along those lines. Don't get into the defensive mode. Oh, I see what you mean. Start with that. Start with anything like that. Start with any acknowledgement. Find in yourself there will be somewhere थोड़ी सी एक्नॉलेजमेंट. क्योंकि अगर तुमने थोड़ा सा भी किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में सोचा है तो सामने वाला इंसान जिस चीज़ को लेकर तुम्हें क्रिटिक कर रहा है, यू मे हैव थॉट अबाउट इट बिफोर हैंड, एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू विल आल्सो थिंक ओह ओके आई कैन सी वेयर दिस पर्सन इज कमिंग फ्रॉम बिकॉज आई हैव बीन थ्रू दैट एज वेल एंड आई थिंक देयर इज वन पार्ट ऑफ द पजल ही इज मिसिंग, सो आई विल हेल्प हिम फाइंड इट. सो इफ समवन गोस लाइक ओह यू आर अ रिटर्न, ऑलराइट, आई कैन सी व्हाई यू थिंक दैट. That's fair. I'm just thinking, अगर कोई मुझे बोले, I'll just say, yeah, that's probably right. So fuck it. I'm being a beta male. Agree with you. Yes. If you know what's good for you, you will. Always say, बुन मारा मेरा opinion. तू अपने आप से मतलब रख. True. अरे okay, got that. And Elish can take soft skills classes also. What the fuck? Huh? I acknowledge that what you are saying.
Drink some water.
No, exactly.
Ambul yaar.
I understand why you think that way because you're a fucking retard. So let me explain something to you. That's the best response.
तेरे को नहीं लगता कि तूने अपने लिए कुछ और बोला, अपनी बंदी के लिए कुछ और बोला?
नहीं. I'll explain it to you. Wait. एक specific answer is.
You see, just conversational wise. बाकी माँ की आंख सर, जो interview dynamic है, सब चीज़ की माँ की आंख. Just based on का don't be a lecturer यार मेरे भाई.
तूने अपने लिए कुछ और बोला, अपनी बंदी के लिए कुछ.
पहले तो तुम्हारा मुंह उतरा पड़ा है.
नहीं.
नहीं. The most defensive no I ever heard. Yeah, if someone says, you idiot, I'll be like, I know you're right, but why?
I'll explain it to you. Wait. एक specific answer is.
I'll explain it to you. Wait. सच बताऊं, मैं खैर थोड़ा सा भूल भी चुका हूँ वो exactly किस बात पे क्रिटिक करते हैं. I think compliment वाली बात पे थोड़ा सा क्रिटिक करते हैं, but I would have been like, what would I have been like? I don't remember their exact critique. I would have been I see what you're saying. I think of it a little differently. This is what I'm trying to do. Not, let me explain this to you. I have a dick and balls, and I don't get compliments. Yeah, sorry, I just went to rub one out. That's fine. You could have done that while watching the stream, dude. I would have preferred it. तो बेसिक जाता ही ना ऐसे शो में पर ट्रू. No, but in general life, अगर मेरी कोई चीज़ को कोई criticize कर रहा है तो नहीं, let me explain it to you. No, dude, calm down. Calm down. Half of the time if someone is making fun of you, just fucking laugh it off. If they're actually really trying to have a conversation with you and critiquing you, then you're like, yeah, that kind of makes sense what you're saying. I think of it a little differently. And these are my values, so that's why I do these things. Simple as that. You don't have to be like, hey, I'll explain it to you.
It's towards one specific question. It cannot be directed to another question because in every circumstance you have to deal with according to the
Objection, my lord. अगर एक ही
क्या बोल गए?
It's towards one specific question.
कुछ और बोला अपनी बंदी के लिए कुछ और बोला
नहीं. I'll explain it to you. Wait. एक specific answer is towards one specific question. It cannot be directed to another question because in every circumstance you have to deal with according to the
Objection, my lord. अगर एक ही बंदे से है ना तो उसकी वो जो ओपिनियन है हर जगह पर एक कंसिस्टेंसी दिखानी चाहिए.
अच्छा ठीक है.
और अगर वो कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है तो उसको एड्रेस करना पड़ेगा. आपको उसको फेस करना पड़ेगा.
So they're talking about philosophical consistency, not consistency of opinion. There are multiple opinions you have on multiple different things, but they're all based on underlying philosophy that you have for anything. The normative values that you have about the world. Normative means what is ought. No, sorry, what should be done. Not necessarily ought, but yes, what should be done. I would have came too quick if the stream was. I get it. And अगर ज़्यादा क्रिटिक करे तो नीलेश बिल्ड निकाल लेता है. ट्रू.
यहाँ पे कंसिस्टेंट पैटर्न है जो आप खुद कर सकते हो, वो आपकी लड़की नहीं कर सकती. और ये माई वे और हाईवे डोमिनेटिंग का एक और ये तो है कि अटेंशन ऑफ अदर मैन तो छोड़ो. योर गर्लफ्रेंड हैज अ हायर बॉडी काउंट देन यू.
Look at the fucking face of my Sigma boy. Oh my god, dude, why are you so fucking scared? Calm down. I get it. He's probably nervous. Okay, I get it. But come on, you're a Sigma. Be the Sigma.
आप क्या करोगे? It doesn't matter पे टिक कर दिया. हाँ बात खत्म थी.
क्या
टेंशन ऑफ अदर मैन तो छोड़ो. जो आप खुद कर सकते हो, वो आपकी लड़की नहीं कर सकती. और ये माई वे और हाईवे डोमिनेटिंग का एक और ये तो है कि अटेंशन ऑफ अदर मैन तो छोड़ो. योर गर्लफ्रेंड हैज अ हायर बॉडी काउंट देन यू. आप क्या करोगे? It doesn't matter पे टिक कर दिया. हाँ बात खत्म थी. पर उसके बाद लिखा है डिपेंडिंग ऑन द काउंट.
Yes.
Which means it's not okay. It does matter. It does matter.
पहले I would like to address the पहले वाला question जो आपको पहले वाला
We are moving way fast.
Yes.
I would give
जो पहले वाली जो हमारी conversation हो रही थी, where you said about the compliments वाला part. अब चलो मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. Do you mind answering?
Yes, please ask me. We don't mind.
आप लोग घर के अंदर हो, आपकी फैमिली घर के अंदर है, ठीक है? आप लोग खिड़की से
Okay, I like him asking. Do you mind if I ask you a question? I like that.
तो जहाँ पे पूरा अंधेरा हो रहा है, ठीक है? खिड़की के बाहर आपने देखा कि एक बंदे के हाथ में गन है, ठीक है? तो how would you feel about it?
अच्छा गन. मुझे लगा कि बंदे के हाथ में गन है. I'm sorry. उन्होंने बीप करा था. Why would you beep a gun? I'm sorry. I'm like वो हैं? Sigma boy? ये क्या कह रहे हो तुम? That's what I thought. I'm not even fucking kidding right now.
ठीक है? खिड़की के बाहर आपने देखा कि एक बंदे के हाथ में गन है.
किसकी?
ठीक है? तो how would you feel about it?
I would feel scared for myself.
You feel scared. What if that
I would check the locks on my fucking door, dude.
guy is an army man, Indian Armed Force का बंदा.
Why is an Indian armed force guy with a gun outside my house?
Why not?
It doesn't.
अगर possibility है कि वहाँ पे कोई घूम रहा है, यहाँ पे security लगा हुआ है.
You know what you're doing?
Wait, what the fuck is he saying? I don't even. Hold on.
I would feel scared for myself.
You feel scared. What if that guy is an army man, Indian Armed Force का बंदा.
Still, I'll be fucking scared. What if the guy is going crazy? I don't know. He has a fucking gun in his hand. I don't know. I'm scared. I don't care. That guy can be fucking president of the United States. Oh, then I'll be so much more scared. Oh, please no. Oh God, no. Not Donald Trump with a gun in his hand. Donald Trump with a gun in his hand. Ow. Holy shit. No, then I'll be so scared. All right. Yeah. It doesn't matter if he's an army guy. It doesn't matter who the person is. I'll be fucking scared. Why does this guy have a gun in his hand?
Why is an Indian armed force guy with a gun outside my house?
Why not?
It doesn't.
अगर possibility है.
What do you mean? Why not? Because that's not a normal thing, my guy. That's not what normally happens in the world.
आपको घूम रहा है, यहाँ पे security लगा हुआ है.
You know what you're doing? Watching is
Yes.
It's a logical fallacy. Okay, what you're doing is you're not comparing apples to apples. So please give us the respect that we are giving you.
So,
Firstly,
I'm
to answer your
not
question, I'd still be concerned. A man having a gun outside the house, even if it's an army man, he should not be there. If he is, that means he has gone down. I may not have a threat by him, but there is a threat. That's why an army man has a. Relax. Get to the point now.
Basically, what I'm trying to interpret here, it is a difference of circumstances.
नहीं
They also
I know.
Yes.
One is happening with you. One is happening with your girl. That's the difference. That is the difference.
एक बार चलो मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ.
देखो.
मेरे गाँव में
इतना बता दे कि भाई if your girl you won't like her enjoying the compliments, how is it okay if
Sir,
you do it?
I didn't say compliments. I said attention.
Attention.
Yes.
How is it okay if you do it?
There are two different situations.
How is it different?
Sir, there is
Both are
one more-
getting attention.
There is one more line which is mentioned over there. If a boundary is being crossed.
उसे छोड़ना, पहले इसमें तुम्हें फर्क दिख रहा है कि नहीं?
मैं तो आपको उसी बात
मैं
बता
उसमें
रहा
बता रहा हूँ ना, girls get and she should not compete with men. और तू यहाँ पे लड़कियों को तो मिलता है, हाँ, लड़कों को भी मिलना चाहिए. You don't see the contradiction here.
हूं। चलो ठीक है, मैंने एक बार को मान लिया.
Do you or don't you?
Okay, let's suppose the way of putting out the facts. There is
If you are fuck, मेरे तो शब्द याद नहीं रहता, बुढ़ा हो गया हूँ मैं. If you're giving something to someone, okay, I'll give you that. If you're doing that, if you're conceding a point, then say, okay, I'll concede that. Let me bring this thing up because I think this is much more important. If you're conceding something, say that you're conceding that. अगर तुम professional debate में हो, never say that. लेकिन अगर तुम एक conversation में हो, एक interview factor में हो, say that. Please say that because then people think that you're coming in with good intentions. चाली को कॉल डॉग बाबा हाँ यार उस क्या बात करूँ पर
is of course a
I'm
contradiction.
reading what you've written.
Yes, but you know there are different circumstances once again. एक लड़के की फैमिली है, ठीक है? The guy is putting in hard work, पढ़ाई कर रहा है, लेकिन रिजल्ट नहीं मिल पा रहे. उस लड़के को constantly एक loser का tag दिया जाता है. Constantly loser का tag दिया जाता है. Whereas when it comes to a woman, she will be complimented by people around her. Basically,
conceding a point.
it's about how a person is dealing with their emotion and it's about the human psychology.
So तू कह रहा है कि the world is unfair towards men.
Given the prevailing situations, I'm not saying there are circumstances again once again over here. यहाँ पे फिर circumstances हैं.
अगर एक ऐसा करें कि हम कट टू कट बात कर रहे हैं.
ठीक है,
Actually सिग्मा क्वालिटी है, कट टू कट बात करना.
ठीक है.
I've always said this. ये रघु and राजीव जब वो कर रहे थे रोडीज, now that I look back at the time, now I look back at the people who were in the interview, now I look back at those, the culture that we had, we needed people like Raghu Rajiv. They did a good thing, okay? They did a good thing. I'm surprised we still need this. I'm surprised we still need this. We still need Raghu and Rajiv.
हाँ जी.
यहाँ क्वेश्चन है, काफी सारे अभी ट्रेंड चल गया था मैन वर्सेस बेयर. बहुत सारे औरतों ने अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड बोला कि यार वो ना एक जंगल में अगर किसी से टक्कर नहीं है तो दे प्रेफर टू बी अ बेयर, भालू कंपेयर टू अ मैन, दे प्रेफर दैट. इससे बवाल मच गया, बहुत सारे लोग हर्ट हो गए और उन्होंने बोला कि दिस इज बुलशिट एंड सम पीपल आल्सो.
Yes, it is because and hold on, this is bullshit because people do not understand the reality of a bear. People do understand the reality of a danger coming from a man. So that's why they were wrong, but I see why they were wrong. Right? Because they never had a stalker bear around them, but almost all women have had a stalker man around them. So yeah, I understand why they said it. It was still retarded though. He's like मेरे को problem है, but मेरा कोई stand नहीं है. लड़कियों की तो शादी करा देते हैं फिर हो जाए तो. Exactly.
Said we get what you're saying. आपने क्या बोला है? Do not cry begging for help if you see a man around when you actually bump into a bear. Can you explain? I think कुछ इसमें typo है.
नहीं.
कह रहा जब भालू से टकराओगे
Do not beg for help from a man.
From a man. ये कह रहे हो आप? But then you said we can talk more about this.
सर जैसे क्या है ना कि ये जो बात हुई कि भाई हम प्रेफर करेंगे कि मैं एक भालू से एक जंगल के अंदर टकरा जाऊं इंस्टेड कि वहां पे मेरे को कोई लड़का मिले, which of course comes down to the safety, which we totally understand. क्योंकि
Do we?
सर women safety has been a problem in the
Are
country.
we sure? आपके रेस्पॉन्स लग नहीं. Let's talk यार.
In the world, not the country, by the way.
मैं भी कह रहा हूं ना, women safety has been a problem in the country, but you know the man is accused for a lot of things, but there are
उस पे आते हैं. ये आपका जो आंसर है
हाँ
ना
जी.
वो ये नहीं दिखाता कि I understand that there is a woman safety issue that is being addressed here actually. You've made it about your male ego.
basically
Have you said anything
okay.
about what the issue is addressing?
That is why
नरेश कब कर रहा है शादी? जब तू राजी?
I mentioned. Let's talk more about this.
But what is your first reaction? A male hurt ego?
How is it male hurt ego? एक बात
यार अबे
बताओ.
हो ऐसा हो रहा मेरे पास मत आइए. It's not a hurt.
सर आपने एक आदमी को भालू से कंपेयर कर दिया. Basically you're calling a man a predator.
But that is okay. So I went to perplexity and I tried to understand this a little more.
Okay.
इसको अगर summarize करें ना, this
Is Perplexity a sponsor or something? Right. वैसे study says भालू पहले
trend reveals that many women view men more unpredictable and dangerous threat to their safety. It reflects a deep-rooted fear of male violence, especially in isolated situations. The trend speaks to a broader mistrust stemming from lived experiences, systemic gender violence, and societal failure to ensure women's safety. It's a statement about how unsafe many women feel about men every day in their life.
I agree to it.
No, you don't. No, you don't. It's about तू मैं तो लेने दूंगा. तू यहीं रह. तूने बोल दिया अब तू मेरे आदमियों से हेल्प एक्सपेक्ट मत करियो. तू भालू के साथ ही रह.
एक सेकंड can I
और ये ऐसे बोल रहा है कि अगर इसे मांग ले तो भालू से टकरा जाएगा. साले सबसे पहले तू घूम रहा होगा.
But also the girls who are saying, oh, I'd rather be stuck with a bear, they're also just considering a hypothetical. There's no shot anyone is doing that in reality. We're talking about a wild bear जो कि untrained है. Even trained के साथ भी मैं तो ना रहा हूँ भाई. And we're talking about a stranger. So I would pick the stranger any day. It doesn't matter what I have between my legs.
हाँ जी. यार तू
And by the way, a woman who understands, a woman who knows herself, and a woman who knows people, a woman who knows men can make the guy do whatever the fuck she wants if she's really into that.
इसलिए कह रहा है कि तू
And she can never do that with a bear, all right?
response is not about a hurt. Bro,
A man can be trained better than a bear. Let's just say that. Especially a Sigma boy. कर ले भाई शादी. बुढ़ापा आने वाला है नहीं तो बाद में शुगर डैडी बनना पैसे नहीं है शुगर डैडी बनने के. सॉरी.
मैं कह रहा हूँ ना I really मैंने
You
तो
really
पहले
say
बोला था I assumed a level of maturity.
ठीक है, नहीं,
I don't think so. Does this answer of his, do not cry begging for
All right, Bart. All right. I don't know.
help if you see a man around when you actually bump into a bear, does this show understanding for appreciation for her fear of her safety, or does this show hurt me ego? Hurt me ego, raise your hand. Really, bro. This is the comment section.
चलो मैं एक और बात यहाँ पे बोलता हूँ. अभी रिसेंटली एक
चलते ही दो मिनट. अच्छा क्लिप दे मेरी है, तूने रुक जा. क्लिप देख लेता हूँ.
मैंने बहुत सारी जगह ना एक चीज कॉमन सुनी है भाई, कि जो भालू होता है ना वो लड़कियों को उठा के ले जाता है भाई.
अरे तेरी उठा के ले आता मतलब
भाई उठा के ले जाता है.
लोकलाइट से सुना है मतलब
बहुत सुना है भाई. और ये बहुत सुना है. आप भी मेरे साथ चलेंगे ना जब हम कभी जंगल, तो मैं आपको वहां के लोगों से बात कराऊं, वो आपको ऐसे ऐसे किस्से सुनाएंगे ना भाई इस चीज के बारे में, कि भाई वो प्रॉपर लड़की के साथ सेक्स करता है.
अच्छा
हाँ भालू प्रॉपर 3-3 4-4 दिन तक वो जाने नहीं देगा उसको.
और मारता भी नहीं है
गर्ल्स की स्मेल से बहुत अट्रैक्ट होता है वो, मारता नहीं है भाई.
ये कैसा बिहेवियर है भाई
नहीं भाई अब ये सुना है मैंने, ऐसा बहुत बहुत ज्यादा सुना है. मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं, जो भी अपने ऑडियंस देख रही है ना पहाड़ की साइड से, जो उत्तराखंड हिमाचल, वो बहुत ज्यादा बिलीव करते हैं इन चीजों पे, बहुत ज्यादा, कि वो औरतों को उठा के ले जाता है और बहुत पसंद करता है उनको वो.
भालू का वैसे मेन
मैंने बहुत सारी
बहुत पसंद करता हूँ उनको वो. आपने सुना होगा मेरे भाई, लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है ना सुनी सुनाई बातें आके हमें सुना दो. Okay, all right. I don't know what you want me to say. I don't know what you want me to say. यही है वो भालू.
there was this girl on social media and she posted a video which talks about the promotion of lingerie. उसके अंदर the caption hate uncomfortable bras more than men. ठीक है. The first question is why would you hate men? That's what I commented. कि भाई आप basically just because it looks cool, it sounds cool कि भाई I hate men, ये बहुत चला है सर सोशल मीडिया पर कि I hate men, I hate men, I hate men. कितने लड़कों को आपने बोलते सुना है इस चीज के बारे में कि भाई हम लड़कियों को hate करते हैं, we hate women?
I actually think that you kind of hate women a little bit.
Not at all.
Define feminism. Feminism,
Oh, I love women. Especially when the segment there.
in my view, is having equal rights and equal opportunities to women as men, along with responsibilities which come with it. And not using the concept of feminism as a shield to get things done her way, even if they are not right. Also, women have been given some rights to improve their situation in the society. They shouldn't misuse those rights and laws. We can talk more about it. Feminism का definition पूछा आपने दे दिया.
ठीक है.
वहाँ लाइनें खत्म हो गई हैं.
I really don't get it. मतलब ये बहुत सारे masculinity वाले लोग तो करते हैं. Why are these people othering women? Honestly, I think these are the people who have had no experience with women, and they're like, oh, they do this, they do that. Oh, really? और ऐसे लोगों की ही ईगो पे, ऐसे लोगों के फीलिंग्स पे, टेट ब्रदर्स जैसे लोग खेलते हैं. Not gonna lie, this guy has valid point. Tell me one point that this guy has which is valid. You better tell me a point quickly. Dude, I'm banning you for your fucking deck. Minority की तरह डील करते हैं.
आप चालू रहे हैं कि भाई, लेकिन कुछ राइट्स दिए गए हैं, हमने दिए गए हैं जिसका मिसयूज हो रहा है. मिसयूज ना हो. They better not.
No, hold on. Even if they're entitled to it, if they did not have the rights before, then they were given the rights. It's not just women, even men. जब अलग अलग तरह की जब गवर्नमेंट शिफ्ट होती है, then people get different kind of rights. So, give me one, idiota.
भाई,
So now this question words. This is not twisting
हम
words.
equal हैं. This is not. I've read your.
Excuse me.
I've read your words. Please read it again. Read it in your. Read it.
I heard you, sir.
No. I want everybody to know. You think so that हम तेरे words को वो कर रहे हैं ना misinterpret. Read that exactly as it's written.
Feminism, in my view, is having equal rights and equal opportunities to women as men, along with responsibilities which come with it, and not using the concept of feminism as a shield to get things done her way, which means basically using it.
The answer.
Even if they are not right. Also, women have been given some rights to improve the situation in the society, which of course they have fought for against patriarchy.
Please read your answer.
They shouldn't misuse those rights and laws in laws. We can talk more about it. That is what I meant.
तो यही मैंने पढ़ा ना, मैंने कहा तुम्हारे वर्ड्स ट्विस्ट किए.
सर
बैठ जाओ. भाई आप ही के वर्ड्स हैं.
हाँ जी.
आप ही के. मैंने तो ये नहीं पूछा व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम फेमिनिज्म. मैंने तो क्या फेमिनिज्म क्या तूने बोले भाई ज्यादा हवा में उड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, थोड़े राइट्स दिए तो मैं चुप बैठ जाऊंगा. Sit down. ये जो फाइट अगेंस्ट पेट्रिया किया ना, दैट्स यू. Once again, I'll
नॉर्थ कोरिया में तो किसी पे भी नहीं है राइट्स. एग्जैक्टली. एंड इफ द गवर्नमेंट चेंजेस, if they get democracy, people will be given rights. तो ऐसी बात नहीं है कि they were not entitled to them, or even if they were entitled to the rights, because human rights, they're still given. Unfortunately, that's a descriptive claim, not a normative one. Hate men more than bra. Why are men treated as norm for all bad things among women? Because most of the crimes, if not all, of the crime against women are done by men. So what do you mean? And when I say women, obviously I don't mean all women. I know you don't mean all women, but almost all the crimes against women are done by men. So भाई मेरा कमेंट शो नहीं होता sometimes. My bad, dude. I have no idea. Where's Malika Hind when you need her? भाई भालू का कॉस्ट्यूम पहन कर जाना पड़े. Fuck off, dude.
ask you. This is it.
तूने कुछ वर्ड बैन नहीं, मेरे को भी वर्ड बैन नहीं कर रखा है.
Women have been given some rights.
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
Basically, women, I'll tell you, women were always treated as minority in the society, to which they fought for. They demanded equal rights.
So have they been given or have they earned it?
So they are definitely.
Are they entitled? Why did you say it?
Even if someone earns it, you have to give it. Come on, my guy. Come on, my guy. Even if I work for someone, if someone hires me for something, and then I do that work, they still give me my payment, right? I earned it, but they also gave it to me. Both things can be true at the same time. That's a stupid thing to say, that crime done against women are done by men, because so are crimes done against men. Exactly. That's more reason to say something like that. Yeah, so most crimes done are done by men. You're arguing for me.
It has been given to them.
So now this is twisting of words.
No, it is your word. You didn't say they have earned it. They have been given, but they should not misuse it.
उन्होंने rights earn किए, उनको मिले.
मिलेगा क्यों नहीं भाई साहब? ये तो आपने खुद ही लिखा है ना.
अब अगर आपको केस लॉस के बारे में अगर बता दूं, कैसे केसेस हुए हैं in which the man was wrongfully accused. 20 साल के केसेस में आया सर.
That is 2.5% of cases that have been proven.
So what about those who go unreported?
Yes. What about the?
I am not denying it. Of
No,
course,
no, then
laws need to be strict
why
for
have
that.
you focused?
Yeah, okay. I really need to understand this. Oh my god, I have even spoken to fucking lawyers who believe this shit कि most of the rape cases filed are fake. मुझे नहीं पता ये stats कौन फैला रहा है, कहाँ से आ रही हैं ये बातें. I have no fucking idea. I've never read it in any credible source कि over 50%, 70% rape cases filed are fake. I have never read it anywhere, never heard it from a credible source, but I have seen a lot of people, otherwise smart people, believe this. I don't understand why and where is this coming from. I really don't. It is different as we use it in the sense of respect. It's not given, it's earned. Even if it is earned, it is still given. It is deserved and given, you can say. It is earned and given, you can say. It's not a bait, you can say. But it is still given, right? If you don't have something and then you acquire it, either you go out and find it yourself or it's been given to you. The fact that you have worked really hard for it, earned it, and this and that, it's besides the point. It's still given. Justifiably given. Sure, fair enough. Most, if not all, inventions, achievement, or anything, Eurekian, alright, hate the word, are also done by men, but you see anybody constantly complaining about that? That has nothing to do with the discussion we are having, Lakshay. Yes, men have done great things and horrible things. Is that what you're trying to say? Yes, by the way, because you want to know why most of the achievement and inventions are done by men, because for the longest time, women were not allowed to do anything, not even study, and a lot of the times not even live. My guy, are you sure you want to get into this discussion? Especially historically speaking? मतलब आज की दुनिया में if you want to talk about this more, fair enough, dude. But history, my guy, can you find any culture, society which have been egalitarian enough? Most and not all crime against people are done by men, because in poor household, men are expected to step up, and sadly some people choose criminal routes for that. So what's the claim? There's no claim. Now you're giving me different descriptions. Yes, bro, but I didn't write anything hateful. I have no idea, dude, why it happened. I have no idea. I'm a criminal. Every time I read a rhyme, people think it's a crime to tell them what's on my mind. I guess I'm a criminal. I gotta say a word. I just flip up the bird and keep going. I don't take shit from no one. Nobody. मजदूरों वाला काम तो आदमी ही करते हैं, वहाँ औरतें क्यों नहीं जॉब्स मांगती वाली बात क्यों नहीं आई अभी तक? True. That doesn't fly in India, क्योंकि इंडिया में बहुत सारी लेडीज लेबर वर्क कर रही होती है. So people do crime not against men or women, but against people. No, that's not true. That's a very unfair line to say. That's a very unfair thing to say, and that's why I'm saying it's not true. Because ऐसे तो कोई भी चीज़ लेके तुम ये कर लो, people do this, people do that, people do that, people do this. You have to do a further analysis. You have to do a deeper analysis. You have to understand the problem better in order to hopefully fix it someday. So you cannot just say, oh, people do the things to people. No. There is no analysis. What are you doing with that? What do you do with that? Maybe explaining everything on chat is not efficient enough for me. Let's go on with the video. Sure, man. Bro, did you quit vlogging? Yes, kind of. यार दीवार पर सुसु करने से पुलिस कंप्लेंट आदमी पर ही होगी, लड़की तो हो नहीं सकती। वी नीड
Focus on the man making the victim when it's an issue of women getting raped. What is the issue about that? But no, let's make it about us. एक आंकड़ा है, आप गूगल कर सकते हैं
हाँ जी।
कि 90% of reported accused will never.
What was wrong with my Eurasian word? Just because I guess I heard it for the first time. I understand it's related to Eureka. इतना अच्छा वो कैब है मेरा नहीं है ना अच्छा।
see jail.
So that means there's a problem with the legal structure. in that
Yes.
case, right?
आपको दो एग्जांपल देता हूँ, निर्भया केस।
Yes.
Wait, hold
Five.
on.
एक आंकड़ा है, आप गूगल कर सकते हैं
हाँ जी।
कि 90% of reported accused will never see jail.
So that means there's a problem with the legal structure. in that
Yes.
case, right?
आपको दो एग्जांपल देता हूँ, निर्भया केस।
Yes.
5 men.
5 minutes. I know that.
इस पे जो कमेंट आए थे ना, वो शेमिंग के थे। क्यों वो बाहर थी रात को? लड़के के साथ क्या कर रही थी? This was happened. This is not the only one. This is the most high profile case.
Yes, I know that.
जब लड़कियां होती है ना,
हाँ जी।
तो ये कह रहा है कि लड़के पे अगर हैरेसमेंट किया जाता है, उसको बिना केस के उसको दोषी ठहराया जाता है। वुमेन होने के बाद भी दोषी ठहराई जाती है कि वो है, उसमें तमीज नहीं है, इंडियन कल्चर नहीं है, वेस्टर्न जींस पहनती है, लड़के के साथ घूमती है, सिगरेट पीती है, नाइट क्लब गई है, दारू पीती है उसने। सुन मेरी बात।
There's something Raghu or any popular person would never say, but didn't something similar didn't the guy who is the leader of the RSS say कि इंडिया में रेप होते हैं, भारत में नहीं? Something like that? लौट आओ नीलेश भी।
ये तेरे को नहीं दिखेगा। We're living in a society where even getting is your fault. मैं तेरे को ना मेल रेड फ्लैग्स बताता हूँ। छूटते ही ना। But what about men? 2.5% की बात है। So exactly 97% roughly
Right.
is our genuine cases. Okay.
Yes.
Why aren't we talking about them?
I'm not saying we're not talking about this.
Yeah,
Question was
second
else.
flag.
Let's talk about it. I didn't say that.
I'll tell you something. You did not say that. You said something else. You want me to read it again? You talked about men being harassed by women.
What was the question,
You
sir?
did not talk about women getting harassed by men.
Just a second.
When you say I did not talk about that, you're lying.
Can I please know the question?
Do you
What was
believe
I really want to continue the conversation, Lakshay, if you're up for it. But I don't want to push you into it, honestly.
modern feminism in India empowers women or gives them a license to target men? आपने कहा हाँ, it empowers women, but pseudo feminist भी है, ये भी आ गया. But feminism isn't the problem. Problem lies with women who demand feminism who do not want to pay the price for it. बार-बार talking about women empowerment and not being able to pay the price it takes to get there. What price have you paid?
Price is basically
for
talking
your,
about the
for your
responsibilities
entitlement.
comes up with it.
What price have you paid for your freedoms, bro? आदमियों को तो है ना rights. What price have you paid?
हाँ, तो you gave me some descriptive claim, but I don't understand what you mean by that. ये कौन सा इंटरव्यू चल रहा है वैसे? Hume, I think you're busy today.
Bro, the fruit of
Basically,
entitlement
paying the price
of
is an
patriarchy.
idiom.
What is paying the price?
Paying the price is an idiom which reflects holding up the responsibilities which come along
What
with
is
it.
that? What is that? What have you held for to earn your freedoms, man? You're just
These people usually watch videos like, oh, men get drafted, men get this, men get that. If there's a thief who come into your house, the man is expected to save the day. Usually this is what these people talk about.
reaping the fruits of patriarchy. You're entitled. तूने क्या किया है अपने freedoms के लिए जो उनको बोल रहा है बार-बार?
Wait, that has nothing to do with the conversation, Lakshay. Come on, dude. The conversation was about crime, about who is the threat generally to society, which gender is more of a threat. That was the conversation. Come on, don't change the topic, dude. यार ये पीट क्यों नहीं रहा? लौट आओ रुको भाई.
बोल रहा तू एक बार नहीं. This is obviously something you think about. अगर बात चल रही है की और तुम बात करो उसके अल्कोहल की या उसके कपड़ों की, समझो मेरी बात. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि तुम्हारा उस तरीके का जवाब है, उस तरीके का, where you stop addressing the issue at point and say, but what about this?
But one point I would like to mention over here. Basically आपको कहने का मतलब है अगर लड़कियों ने इतने सेंचुरी तक सफर करा तो क्या लड़कों की बारी सफर करने की?
जब किसी को इक्वल राइट्स देते हैं
That's not
ना,
what
आपसे
he
लेके नहीं दे रहे. सुन
Okay,
this is
ठीक है,
important.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
I want this.
Yes.
The reason why men are threatened by equality because you don't understand the concept of equality and you are afraid of losing your entitlement.
You mentioned one thing over here initially कि basically equality का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि भैया दूसरे को पुट डाउन करो. अगर बात करूं मैं harassment के बारे में, harassment की definition के अंदर victim harassment तो कवर्ड ही नहीं है.
नहीं है.
नहीं है कवर्ड. सर यहाँ पे equality कहाँ है फिर?
नहीं है ना.
सर harassment वाले केस के
नहीं है
अंदर
ना. नहीं है ना.
As to my information, strong laws नहीं है.
नहीं है ना.
हाँ.
बना के what if they misuse it?
अच्छा ठीक है तो सर बेसिकली अब ये बात बोलकर
Are you going to defend men in this
No,
situation?
I am saying the one who is misusing it is wrong.
Next question पूछ. क्या आप
Actually, I fuck with it. I think laws should be the same. Sexual harassment के laws सबके लिए होने चाहिए, men के लिए भी होने चाहिए. I fuck with it. But if someone says, oh, look, it is so horrible, so equality. Laws specifically उन चीज़ों के लिए बनते हैं जो चीज़ें threat होती हैं generally for the people, for the society, for people in society, for how the culture works. So generally, women go through sexual harassment much more than men do. Men rarely go through that. Unfortunately, there are more men who go through that nowadays. बच्चों में so there's no gender specific, so of course बच्चों में we have that, but हाँ, adult male and males don't usually go through sexual harassment. The ratio is very much in favor of having the law for the women. That's not to say that men should not have the right to call out sexual harassment. They absolutely should, but that is not exactly example of inequality. I mean, it's unfair, sure. My point is, men are shamed for crimes did by a very small minority, but never praised for everything else. What kind of praise do you think men should be getting? And crimes happen the other way around as well. Crime directed by men, crimes directed to men by women. But is generalizing ever a good option? It's not generalizing. It's actually doing statistical analysis. अगर तुम देख रहे हो कि अगर तुम देख रहे हो दिल्ली में भाई 10 लाख क्राइम हो रहे हैं जिनमें से 9 लाख क्राइम मेन ने करे हैं, सो इट इज़ नॉट अनफेयर टू से कि डूड men are ruining the safety in Delhi. It's not unfair to say that at all. It's not. It doesn't mean all men. Like you said, I'm not talking about all women. It doesn't mean all men. But how is it wrong to say? जेल वाले एक्सेप्शन है. Okay, gotcha.
आदमियों को फॉल्स एक्यूजेशन से प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए, हाँ करना चाहिए, लेकिन men should not misuse that. यार पता क्या रघु, ये मेरे थेरेपिस्ट में क्लियर है, इसके समझ में नहीं आएगी, इसके समझ में नहीं आएगी. I think the comment sections will make it very clear. The pattern here is every time you get a chance to say yeah, women can be protected, they can be equal. Every chance you get, you talk about how men are.
I didn't say that.
That will disadvantage men.
I didn't say that. I'm sorry to say that.
And men are victimized. Women's safety is fine, but what if they misuse it and target men? Your
This
concern
is
is
really for men.
not. That's the pattern. That is the pattern in every answer.
I am not kidding you, bro.
सर तो पहले 2.5% women minority होती थी, आज में 2.5% men वाली minority जो लॉ नहीं प्रोटेक्ट कर रही है, मैं तो उसके बारे में बात कर रही है.
एक बात बता, जब औरतों को प्रोटेक्ट करने की बात आती है, किससे प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं?
सर एक बात
Please
हाँ.
answer.
Of course, criminals will be more men. Why? What you mean? Of course, criminals will be more men. What do you mean by that? यार एक लक्षण मैं बात को fuck off it. What do you mean? Of course, criminals will be more men. What? Once again, there are different kinds of claims. There are descriptive claims जो कि किसी चीज़ को देख के बता रहे हैं कि ये चीज़ ऐसी है. There are normative claims जो किसी चीज़ को देख के बता रहे हैं ये चीज़ ऐसी होनी चाहिए. If you're making when you say कि of course criminals will be more men, that sounds like a normative claim. I can understand how it could be a descriptive claim. I don't think that's what you mean though. ऊपर वाला chat पढ़ो ना. Okay, sorry. Whether the population of men on roads is exponential. Realize you're not. मेरे भाई क्राइम्स तो घर पे भी होते हैं ना मेरे भाई. स्टेटिस्टिकली देखो भाई, ये जो पति को मार दिए वाले केसेस हैं लाइमलाइट में इसलिए हैं क्योंकि दे आर लिमिटेड. देयर आर सो मेनी केसेस हैपनिंग डेली टू, तो इस वजह से you only see news about those. I get what you're saying. क्या सिर्फ मर्द करते हैं क्या? ज़्यादातर, नॉट सिर्फ. सी अगेन, तू अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मुझे कह रहा था कि आई एम नॉट सेइंग ऑल वुमेन. सो इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट कि यू आर नॉट सेइंग ऑल वुमेन, व्हाई डू यू प्रिज्यूम दैट आई एम सेइंग ऑल मेन? व्हाई डू यू प्रिज्यूम दैट? क्यों मैं जनरलाइज सिर्फ मर्द हो रहा है? जनरलाइज नहीं, स्टेटिस्टिकल एनालिसिस. इफ ओके, हाउ अबाउट दिस? Exactly, ज़्यादातर, not all. Nobody is saying all. Nobody is saying all.
Sir,
Please answer me.
sir, man,
Please
I am
answer.
doing that. Man is not the criminal. Criminal is the criminal.
But we are talking about the fact that when we talk about protecting women, we are talking about protecting them from men. Where out of 1,000 cases that are probably even reported in a month, 999 are men women.
Sir,
So
three of them
we need to
crime does not have a gender.
Every
That's
time
what
you
I'm
say,
trying to say.
I know.
Crime does not have a gender.
I know. You will say that. Every says that.
The moment you get into any of the details, and it's really important to get into the details because the devil's in the details, then you realize crimes do have genders. All right. आजकल तो बच्चा भी पैदा कर देते हैं मर्द.
My answer still over here would be, when we're talking about protecting women, it will be protecting women from the criminals, and crime has no gender, be it a man or a woman.
Do you know violence is gender on gender?
Sha la 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 la. Sigma boy. You cannot do any kind of analysis अगर तो you cannot find any kind of solution to any kind of problem. Otherwise तो हर चीज is done by people और nature. Nature ये करता है, लोग ये करते हैं. खत्म बात. हर conversation यहीं खत्म हो जाती है. हर conversation. If you need to find answers or solutions to the problem, then you have to look deeper into it. What is going on? Who is doing it? Why they're doing it? What is happening that is making them do it? What leads things to here? the moment you get into the details, then you'll have to discuss who is doing it more. You have to. Conversation aroused when in the voice he said, men is worse than a bra, would choose a bear over men. My point was about the generalization. But you also started defending so many different things, and also then you said कि ज़्यादातर inventions भी men करते हैं, this and that, right? And I already answered that. I think better than Raghu Rajiv, because जो men के साथ horrible experience have with most women, that is lived experience, that is a very real experience. So and they don't know what the fuck the reality of the wild animal is. So that's why when it comes to reality, most people would choose a stranger, be it a man or a woman, would choose a stranger to be with in the forest. Nobody would choose a bear in reality. Lekin. So that's very much hyperbole, you know. Those were just you, but they were not okay. They were not gun to gun, you know.
You understand that? In law,
Comparison.
it's called a gender.
What about harassment?
It's called एक मिनट भाई. तू बार-बार what about बोल.
अच्छा, sorry, my bad. Yes, please go on. Yes, please go on. I'm sorry to interrupt.
It is classified as a gender crime.
By the way, when you see something like this, oh my god.
Sorry, my bad. Yes, please go on. Yes, please go on. I'm sorry.
See, this is learned behavior. This is not him. This is learned behavior. Achha, you're not supposed to interrupt. Oh, I interrupted. Now I'm gonna admit fault jaldi se, and I'm gonna move on the conversation because I'm such a charitable guy when it comes to conversations. This is learned behavior. This is not him actually trying to listen. This is him being like, okay, I did this. You're not supposed to do that. This is not what Sigma does. This is very much rationalized. Miguel Machar की आंट कब बोलेंगे रघुराज जी?
I'm sorry to interrupt.
It is classified as a gender crime. When it is a gender crime, when you say criminals do not have a gender, you are desperately trying to protect men. And desperately trying to give excuses for men.
Yeah. Your apologies.
तेरे जिंदगी में तेरे जुबान से निकलेगा हाँ यार बहुत सारे आदमी रेप करते हैं और
मैं कह रहा हूँ सर 99.9% आदमी है जो करते हैं.
बट उनकी तो जेंडर ही नहीं होना चाहिए फिर.
मैंने नहीं बोला वो आदमी है, लेकिन आप उसको कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करोगे? जब किसी को जेल में डालते हो तो आप उसको क्रिमिनल आइडेंटिफाई करते हो, फिर आदमी और आइडेंटिफाई करते हो, ये बताओ ना मेरे को.
जब ये
आदमी औरत आइडेंटिफाई करते हो उस हिसाब से जेल में डालते हैं. आई थिंक
जेल में जाएंगे ना, इसको वुमेन्स वार्ड में डाल देना, मतलब इसको जेंडर है नहीं.
ये तो बात नहीं, तो कुछ और बात है.
औरतें भी फिर उनको मेंस जेल और
नहीं, because you do identify men and women, and that's why statistical analysis is done.
मेंस जेल क्यों है? क्रिमिनल तो क्रिमिनल है.
सेपरेटेड.
क्यों?
Why?
They are criminals, no gender.
So now
उनका
criminals
gender
have
खत्म.
gender. Criminals have gender. You
Think
agree?
about it.
You agree?
No, it doesn't look fake and scripted actually now.
Criminals have a gender.
मेरी बात
Do you agree criminals have a gender?
Yes, I agree to your point.
Thank you.
That's it.
I agree to your point. अब जहाँ पे मैंने बात करी कि how it is unfair to that 2.5% which you mentioned. अभी recently मेरी friend पे बता रहा हूँ. Recently a friend of mine, she was staying in a flat. There was a girl, another girl.
यार तू दे एक मत दे यार.
Anecdotals पे मत आ जा मेरे भाई.
मैं यहाँ पर ना चैट जीपीटी या पब्लिसिटी को बोल दूंगा, तू 60 पेज लेता 60,000 पेज का आ
आजा
जाएगा.
सर,
एक केस जो आदमी ने किया औरतों के खिलाफ. It's a competition between you and Niagara Falls. That is the difference. Really?
I get that.
You're welcome to it. से Niagara Falls. कर दे. उखाड़.
Dude, come on, don't be a racist, Raghu. Come on, dude.
मैं तो दोनों तरफ से बोल रहा हूँ. मैंने बोला लड़कियों के लॉस होने चाहिए, प्रोटेक्शन के होने चाहिए, एंड उसको और शिट करो. लेकिन सर आप आदमियों को इग्नोर मत करो.
लेकिन
ठीक है.
उनको भी तो इग्नोर मत करो ना.
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ.
औरतों को पर ध्यान देने का मतलब
अरे हमें ऐसा लग रहा है
नहीं है मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, राइट्स गिवन टू समवन इज नॉट टेकिंग अवे फ्रॉम समवन.
रघु, अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम वापस निकल पड़े हैं नारी मुक्ति मोर्चा में. हम ऐसा नहीं है. वी आर जस्ट पॉइंटिंग आउट अ सबकॉन्शियस पैटर्न ऑफ मेन चूजिंग टू इग्नोर दिस एज अ फीमेल प्रॉब्लम बाय
Making it about
everybody. Making it about everybody. This is a pattern. I am calling it out. I want the people in the comment sections to talk about it.
वुमेन सेफ्टी वाली बात में आपकी 110% बात बिल्कुल ठीक है. क्या मैं आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हो?
Let's stop there, bro.
Do yourself a favor and stop here. I know you are not. You don't. कि ये conversation ऐसे आया है biases that you didn't even recognize that.
You know what's the probably worst thing out of all of this? सबसे जो बेकार की चीज, सबसे जो unfortunate चीज है, जो सबसे ज़्यादा sad चीज है. This is the kind of philosophy जो कि आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा popular है, but this is the kind of philosophy people do not grow out of. People don't grow out of this. You know, people grow out of that. Oh, I want to be a rock star. People grow out of that. This is not something people grow out of, unfortunately. I've seen people, dude. Oh my God, I've seen old people, like really old people. Suppose the otherwise smart people I've seen, like they believe a lot of these things. और मेरे को आज तक मेरे भाई मैं हाथ जोड़ रहा हूँ भाई, मुझे कोई बता दो ये बात कहाँ से लोग लेके बैठे हैं कि ज़्यादातर रेप केसेस जो फाइल होते हैं वो सारे फेक होते हैं, like 70% are fake. Like please, I beg you guys, where are people getting this from? I mean, I heard someone say कि oh well, you know, consent is a weird word because a pretense of a marriage के बाद अगर तुम सेक्स कर रहे हो तो it's not consensual. Yes, because that's not how consent works. You need to understand how a consent works. Consent, the person who is consenting to something needs to have knowledge of all the aspects of what they're consenting to for the consent to be valid. So that's the most basic thing out there when it comes to consent. All right. It's like saying कि यार मैं तेरी गाड़ी चला लूँ, हाँ चला ले. मैं गाड़ी चलाता चलाता गाड़ी तेज करूँ और गाड़ी से कूद जाऊँ और गाड़ी खाई में गिर जाए. एंड देन इट्स लाइक तूने मेरी गाड़ी खाई में गिरा दी. तूने तो बोला था चला ले. चलाने के लिए कंसेंट दिया था ब्रो. मेरा तो यही प्लान था, मैं तो यही करने वाला था. आई डिडंट नो दैट.
I know you're not. You don't. कि ये conversation ऐसे आया है. Biases that you didn't even recognize that you have come to the fore and become the focus. That doesn't define you. I get it.
Yes.
In fact, you've made many good points that we also agree with.
That's why I'm surprised that you fail to understand our point.
तूने बोला ना, listening.
Yes.
Listening is a skill.
हाँ जी.
I do believe you have it. But next time, demonstrate it.
I'll definitely do that. Yes. Thank you so much. Yes.
ठीक है, thanks buddy.
Thank you.
you.
So much.
I really enjoyed this conversation and I think it's
It's a conversation that needs to be
I'm
had.
very glad that I had it with you guys.
I will follow you on Instagram.
Thank you so much.
All
Thank you so much.
Okay, buddy.
Take care.
Cheers.
दिस इज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग दो. कंसेंट के बाद धीरे धीरे चला सकते हैं. समझ नहीं पाया मैं. तू गाड़ी वाले एनालॉजी को ले रहा है. इस लड़के को इसके मामा के हैं, इस लड़के को इसके मामा ने छुआ. फक यू.
हाँ जी, क्या कहना है इसके बारे में?
मैं तो पुराने रोडीज वाले मूड में पहुंच गया था बिकॉज इक्वालिटी से जेंडर वॉर पर आ गया था पूरा सब्जेक्ट. ही वाज वेरी स्ट्रिंजेंट ऑन हिज पार्ट कि नहीं भाई औरतें के बारे में मर्द को पहले बचाओ.
Actually, वो reality
He didn't say that. Come on, dude. Oh my god, did you not listen to the guy? Like, I was against the guy the whole time. That's not what he said. गलत होना चाहिए. Oh, सही में.
शो में ना इधर हमें उस बंदे को परखना था. तो उस बंदे को हम चीज़ें एस्केलेट करते रहते हैं, देखते हैं वो कहाँ तक जाता है, या टूटता है या फटता है या रोता है, क्या होता है. वो उस शो की ज़रूरत थी, हमारा काम होता. यहाँ पर ना बात इस बंदे की नहीं है, बात इस टॉपिक की है जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
इंटरव्यू हो. I have no fucking idea, but this is entertaining as fuck.
जेंडर इश्यूज़ के बारे में जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, और उसमें ना मैं उस फोकस उसी पर रखना चाहता हूँ. यहाँ मैं अगर अपना टेम्पर लूज करूँगा, आई विल हार्म द कॉन्वर्सेशन. नाउ लेट मी गिव द फ्लिप साइड. ये कॉन्वर्सेशन है जहाँ पे एक पैटर्न निकल के आ रहा है. मेन फील साइडलाइंड, हाँ, अनअप्रिशिएटेड, वो तो फैक्ट है, एंड टारगेटेड. ओके, एक सेंटेंस है, मेन of this generation feel that they are paying the price of a patriarchy they are no longer a part of. मतलब एक patriarchal system जिनको इन्होंने जन्म दिया और जिसको सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते, बट उसकी कीमत इनको चुकानी पड़ेगी. So they want their voice to be heard also. They want men's issues, which to be frank, till 5 years ago there was no conversation, even till 4 years ago. कोविड के बाद शुरू हुआ है कि यार आदमियों के साथ भी गलत होता है. वो कह रहा है यार इसके बारे में तो बात कर लो, और बार-बार, और हम भी we are also part of it. हम कहते हैं भाड़ में गया यार, वो तो देखी जाएगी, पहले लड़कियों का क्या. So they are not feeling heard. For you guys as well as the people watching it, we want to make our distinction clear. Yes, men should be heard, but not in some other forum को हाईजैक करके. अपना फोरम खुद बनाओ. औरतों ने भी फेमिनिज्म किया है ना, कर करके अपना एक डिस्कशन फोरम बनाया उन्होंने. उसको हाईजैक मत करो, अपना भी बनाओ. एंड आई थिंक एवरीबडी शुड listen to men without prejudice.
No. Actually, I don't agree with that at all. No. That's how toxic communities get built. That is exactly how toxic communities built. If we need conversations intergroups. Wait, is it intergroups or intragroups? Or interforms? We need conversation between the spaces. We don't need separate spaces. We need conversation of the spaces. That's why the people who know what the fuck they're talking about, they should talk about things. But the most unfortunate thing is कि जितनी ज़्यादा तुम बकचोदी घटिया वाहियात बात करते हो, उतने ज़्यादा तुमको अटेंशन मिलती है. एंड पीपल वांट अटेंशन ऑन सोशल मीडिया बिकॉज दैट ट्रांसलेट्स टू मनी एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी. तो जितनी ज़्यादा वाहियात घटिया बात तुम करो, उतनी ज़्यादा अटेंशन मिलती है, उतना ज़्यादा बिजनेस तुम्हारा प्रॉफिट होता है, उतना ज़्यादा तुमको फेम मिलता है, उतनी ज़्यादा वैलिडेशन मिलती है. सो पीपल डू घटिया बात. जितनी कर सकते हो उतनी वाहियात बात. दैट इज़ द इशू. एंड जितनी वाहियात बात, उतना ही बंदे को कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए ऐसी बात बोलने के. अगर मेरे माइंड में कोई बहुत ज़्यादा वाहियात बात है, मैं वो नहीं बोलूँगा. I need a lot of confidence to say जितनी वाहियात बातें हैं. And confidence is attractive. In fact, the way you say it is a lot of the times much more important than what you're saying. The confidence with which you're providing the solution is more important than the efficacy of the solution. So yeah. And that is the Andrew Tate effect, by the way. But interesting video, dude. Interesting video.